Welcome to this Mash Bite, which will show you the various Purple Mash resources we have for popular texts. This can be found by clicking on the English button on the home page and then clicking on the third icon across on the top, Resources on Popular Texts. Within here, we've broken down into age brackets some of the most popular class books that you might be using as a shared class text or maybe for group reading. Starting with ages 5 to 7, then 7 to 9, and then we've got age 9 to 11 at the bottom. As you'll see, they're some of the most popular books, well known, whether they're modern or some old firm favourites. What's really useful is you'll find that whichever of the books you're studying, we have a variety of different activities to help increase children's understanding of the text, help practice their inference and deduction, and give them a chance to be creative with the characters and the descriptions and the events in the story that you're studying. For example, in the Room on the Broom book resource area, we have a quiz. We have lots of different writing and art activities as well. And what's really useful, like with all quizzes on Purple Mash, you can edit these to adapt the level of challenge that's suitable for your learners. If you want to do this, just click on the Launch button and then click on the Edit Quiz option here. This will allow you firstly just to see the different questions that are within the pre-made quiz, but they also allow you to either remove, add your own, or change any of the sound animations or adapt the level of complexity of the questions. A Purple Mash favourite, our mash cams are always useful for children to help try and get some character profiling going. This one for Room on the Broom, the children can dress up virtually as if they are the witch. They can take a selfie or upload a picture, and they can write or draw in here what the witch is seeing or thinking or feeling as she's dropping various items across the landscape. And what's really lovely is that if these are set as a to-do, then you can really easily share these to a display board. For example, some of the children here have shared their work to the display board where they'll be able to see each other's faces, drawings and recordings. If you haven't set up a display board before and you would like to know how, click on the settings wheel within the sharing tab. And there's a handy tutorial video that will show you how you can set up and manage and share work to the display boards. Back into the resources on popular text area now. As you'll see, there's a whole selection of some really favourite popular fiction books the children can explore. And as you move through the key stages, the older children have a variety of quizzes that they could use to help demonstrate their understanding of the text they've read. For example, if they've been reading Friend or Foe by Michael Morpurgo, we've got different quizzes for each chapter within the story. So this helps children to compartmentalise the events from each of the chapters and refer to that as opposed to a whole quiz for the entire book. And as with all of the different resources that we have for writing, don't forget that when you open them up, you can change the level of complexity for your learners by opening it up in teacher mode. You can customize whether children can add text, images, they can record their own voice notes on it, and you can also choose whether or not you want to include writer checklists and different images as well. As with all things in Purple Mash, just look out for the little video tutorial icon that will show you how to make these changes if you've not done them previously. We're sure you'll find this a really useful area to find resources for you to share with the children to help engage and inspire them with their class reading book. If you're wanting to develop some further cross-curricular learning and exploration, you'll find that any books that contain cross-curricular links, for example, Escape from Pompeii, you'll find that it actually signposts you to the different topic resource folders that link to the events in the text. So, for example, Escape from Pompeii corresponds to both the Romans topic, where we have an abundance of different resources, as also looking at volcanoes. So hopefully you'll find this is a nice way to be able to find lots of cross-curricular links for you to explore with your children to make sure that the stories that you're sharing really have a great wealth of experience and activities for them to explore.